Yo guys, this is my friend's window cleaning or chemical spraying machine, and it's not working. Obviously I don't think this machine is expected to pump very strong bleach, and that's what he uses it for. Hence I guess he didn't try to claim warranty, but he really should have claimed warranty because this was less than a year old when it stopped working. So if you're anyway, let's see what the problem is. I'm going to take this screw out, that screw out, and that screw out, and hopefully this yellow bit at the bottom will drop out. So I've taken the screws out. It's just got this long. I'm going to take this one out just to make sure it's out of the way. So I took them screws out and it didn't come out, so I took the screws out from underneath. So like from here on out I was just in shock, kind of went into like quiet mode. I didn't believe the stuff that I was seeing from a big company, you know. So underneath here it's just wet, really wet out. So it just smells like trouble. And yeah, I'm still hoping that I can fix it. Pull the battery out, I saw a lot of corrosion and spotted some broken wires. It's not looking good. And then inside of these blue connectors there's more and more corrosion. So here I'm already thinking, okay, they use cheap wires, plus it's not really dry in there. I'm gonna have to rewire this system or fix some wires. Yeah, guess what, it's worse than you think. Okay, something like this shouldn't be built like this. I mean, oh my god, no fucks are given at all. Luckily, on the Gardiner website you can get a wiring diagram to rewire this thing if you want to. But unfortunately with this one, I tested the motor because obviously I was going to rewire it. So I'll get my soldering iron out in a minute, and you would see that more wires broke off. And at that stage I decided that, you know what, it's 100% going to be rewire. So I stopped to get a wiring diagram or whatever, and then it just dawned on me, you know what, I think you should actually test the motor as well. So guess what, the motor is also rock solid, mate. It's seized. Yeah, so luckily my soldering iron was dead, because I'd been wasting time and wasting solder on that little bit. Just look how that just fell out of my hand. Crazy. Have a look at the switch though. Look how they wired up the switch though. Just have a look, guys. This backpack is about 100 and something pounds, and I don't think it's worth repairing, to be fair. I think it's just scrap now. Scrap. So Gardiner, you guys need to do a little bit better next time. Do this YouTube thing as well. It's not good enough at all for a machine that is used for pumping water. Even some customers might use it for pumping bleach. So